Good evening. Today we're going to talk about IT terminology presented by Lala Jalila Lasky. Computer hardware. Computer hardware is a computer that contains components which work together, such as a CPU. A CPU is a vital component of a computer desktop tower, and it contains parts such as a power supply, motherboard, sound card, an IC card, and RAM. Input device. An input device is a piece of equipment used to provide the data and control signals to information processing systems such as a computer or an information appliance. The slide shows an example for different input device examples such as a mouse, printer, camera, or a keyboard. Output device. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into perceptible form. An example shows a speaker, a printer, or monitor. Storage. Storage is any device that keeps data, instruction, and information. Example of storage, a DVD, which has a high capacity optical disc that looks like a CD but can store much more information. A USB, an external serial bus interface standard for connecting peripheral devices to a computer, or a CD, which is a circular disc that are 4.75 diameter that store small amount of information compared to a DVD. A software. A software is a main part of the computer, and it has many functions, such as manage hardware, provide the user interface, means the user and computer system interact, provide a platform for different applications, and finally allows the computer to multitask. The slide shows more popular example of the use of software. We've got utility tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and much more. Conference tools like Zoom, Skype, Teams, or WebEx. Ticketing system is also an application that can be run in the computer, ServiceNow or Spiceworks. Access management tool, Active Directory database that keeps track of all users' accounts and password. And finally, collaboration tools, which are software applications that involve to command and share information. Computer tools. Computer tools are devices or implements used to carry out a particular function, install or uninstall devices in computer, such as a screwdriver, cable, tester, soldering iron, cutter, cable crimper. Computer cables, also known as a cord, plug, or connector that transmits the power or data between devices or positions such as display cable, network cable, power cord, or USB cable. The slide shows in the picture shows different types of cables and their usage. Thank you for listening to my PowerPoint practice, and I hope it's informative enough for you to understand.